Welcome back. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series, where we talk about development taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. 1. Bartlett recently expressed the possibility of the construction of a game-changing highway in 2024 linking Saltmarsh to Adelphi. This new highway will also connect to the Montego Bay bypass. 2. Another new hotel is in the plans for Jamaica. The Lopesan Hotel Group is planning to construct a 1,000-room luxury resort in Jamaica. Lopesan is a well-known international hotel group with resorts in the Caribbean, Asia, and Europe. The construction is anticipated to generate upwards of 2,500 jobs, encompassing both direct and indirect employment opportunities. 3. A new RIU hotel is being built in Jamaica, which will make it the company's seventh. The 753-room hotel will be built in Falmouth, Trelawney. RIU Palace Aquarelle is slated to be open next year, May, all going well. 4. Minister Floyd Green commits to prioritizing mining for growth and exploring export markets, citing a robust 164.2% sector expansion in April to June. Increased aluminum output at Jamalco and a notable 100% rise in limestone exports, credited to Lidford Mining, contribute to this growth. The Mining Matters app, developed with the EU, will allow real-time reporting of grievances from mining effects. Additionally, a cost of production app is introduced for sector stakeholders. Both apps will be accessible on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Green underscores the transformative role of technology in addressing challenges and boosting sector visibility. World news you should be keeping an eye on. Are you looking for a replacement for your smartphone? Well, an option just presented itself: Humane AI Pin. Whether or not it's a replacement you'll be interested in is up to you. Instead of a handheld device, the new tech is pinned to your shirt. This cutting-edge gadget responds to your voice, touchpad taps, or even a laser display on your palm. Picture this: instant actions like sending texts, playing tunes, capturing photos, making calls, or translating live conversations, all orchestrated by the pin's virtual assistant. Are you excited for any of these developments?